Welcome to Master Build. Today's focus is on AMD CPUs. Known for their exceptional multi-core performance and value, AMD processors excel in gaming and productivity. Before buying, consider compatibility, cooling solutions, and your specific needs. Why choose AMD? Let's dive into the reasons. First up, better price to performance. AMD processors deliver more power for your money, making them a fantastic choice whether building a budget rig or a high-end powerhouse. Next, let's talk cores and threads. Ryzen CPUs pack more cores and threads compared to Intel at similar price points. This means smoother gaming, seamless streaming, and effortless multitasking. Imagine gaming while streaming your favorite content. AMD makes it happen. Future-proofing is another major perk. With AMD's AM4 and AM5 platforms, upgrading your CPU is a breeze. No need to swap out the motherboard, making it easy to keep your system up to date without breaking the bank. Power efficiency is also a game changer. The latest Ryzen chips are built on advanced 5nm technology, which means they deliver impressive performance while consuming less power. Say goodbye to overheating and skyrocketing energy bills. Finally, strong gaming and content creation performance is where AMD truly shines. With features like 3D cache and smart access memory, Ryzen CPUs are designed for high FPS gaming and rapid rendering speeds. Gamers and creators alike will appreciate the boost in performance. In summary, AMD offers unbeatable value with their processors. From budget-friendly options to high-performance builds, they provide more cores, better efficiency, and future-proofing. Whether gaming, streaming, or creating content, AMD is a solid choice that won't disappoint. So, why not consider AMD for your next build? Are you Team AMD or Team Intel? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome PC build content. Stay tuned for the next one.